Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. We're going to do something different, and we're going to look at the difference in spray. And my collar is all messed up there between your Jeep factory injectors and a Chrysler Bosch 4-hole injector. I get lots of people always ask me, what's the advantages, what's the disadvantages of having the 4-hole injectors? Let's have a look at the spray patterns, and I'll let you guys decide for yourself. So this is something I bought over a year ago for cleaning injectors. I haven't got a seal right on the end, but I'm using electrical tape. I'm going to use this sea foam right here, paired along with this injector pulser. I'm going to hook it up. At the end of the day, running the 4-hole injectors, I've experienced smoother acceleration, faster starting, etc. And what do you guys think? Leave your comments below what you guys thought of the 4-hole injectors versus the factory spray pattern. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.